Okay, so we got a review of the Park tool for mountain bikes, whatever. It's got all the sizes you'll ever need for anything you have. They're all hex keys, Allen wrenches, whatever you want to call them. There's a 6 and 5, and all the way down to 1.5, it looks like. Yes, this is plastic, but it is very strong. Only complaint I have about this thing is this big one right there. Sticks out like that unless you force it down. Then it fits semi-flush. But other than that, it's a great tool. Only $10 US dollar. It's just all around pretty awesome. Enjoy, comment, rate, and subscribe.